If you ain't never built an institution in your life without no white money, please keep your...
Okay, make this make sense. We've invested enough money in men and boys institution. However, we have not invested enough money in our girls, our women, navigating a patriarch society. Once we can teach our young women how to navigate a patriarch society, give them tools, teach them leadership skills, self-defense. Once we do that, we can raise better families. Quite frankly, better men. But a man teaching another man in that format, still cloaked in patriarchy and misogynistic ideologies, nothing is going to change. Let's try investing in women. Let's try to invest in our own institution. That's why I'm here. I'm here starting this nonprofit for our girls. We don't need any more institution for men. We need to invest in our girls, our women. They are going ignored while more money is being wasted in the XY chromosome. Women are the first teachers. Mothers are the first teachers. Once we can properly educate women on who they are, our young ladies, our women, we raise the standard for men. So I don't care how many boys' schools they're made, it's not going to work. Because the issue is with the mothers and the divine feminine.